Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back with another, well, you've seen this Ferrari on the channel before. We did a battery on it recently, and we noticed it had a problem with the driver's side front speaker making a popping noise, like you just hear a little bloody annoying. The customer's aware of it, said we will be getting it fixed, and today is that day. So this has got the JBL sound system upgrade in it. I don't know if it comes standard or not, but it has got JBL system in it. And we need to remove the amp to send the amp away to get repaired and then refit the amp. So I've got this to look at for a few days. My heart bleeds. Pray for me. So I'll let you know what the noise is. I will get a recording inside the car now. I've already put the roof down. It's not roof down weather at all, but I put the roof down to give me more access because we're going to be jumping around this interior and it's all nice and fun. So the noise, well, the amp issue that you hear sounds like this. So if you listen, there it is. Little boom. There it is. So that is a faulty amp. God, I love Ferraris, I'm not even gonna lie. 458s are just sexual. Now, from parts catalogs and diagrams, it's telling me the amp will be around here somewhere. I've already pulled this down to have a little look. So, similar to the 488 that we took apart, I've got a feeling I've got a lot of stuff to remove. Does that? I think that just pops off. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like doing this. I'm gonna go and attack this from the passenger side. So turn the key off for a second. But yeah, we're looking for the JBL amp. I'm gonna try and input a picture now. Well, we're in here. So I've got to take the glove box out. Now, in order to do that, you need to push that button there. Okay? You won't open it otherwise because I didn't actually know that I had to really look around. Now there's some Phillips screws, one there, one up here somewhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then underneath you've got 3 more that run along the bottom here. Obviously I've taken this trim out, which was a load of 3mm Allen keys. Where are they? They're in it somewhere. I've moved them over to that side with that trim. A load of Phillips's and 1 plastic popper for that trim. So some 3mm Allen keys for the bottom bit, 1 plastic popper, and then it's a load of Phillips screws. Oh no, here they are. They're the Allen keys. And there's a load of Phillips screws for the glove box. And you get the glove box out. I think it's behind here. Now, what I will give you just a quick heads up. I don't actually know where this bit is. Not a great deal of information online. Looking up on part search tells me that it's behind the dash. But if I get the glove box out, that's majority of the dash out of the way. So I should be able to find it. It's a big silver item, JBL. As we've seen, because I put a picture in earlier. I hope I managed to do that. So, yeah, glove box out. Should be okay. So I've undone the 3, got to do the 3 inside. We'll open it one more time. Let's get the glove box out. All right, brown trouser moment number 1. You need to remove this part of the trim, which is 1 popper that goes into there. You just give it a little and catch your breath afterwards. The disconnect, well, don't disconnect like that. It's just chilling there. And then this whole thing should come out, and I'm hoping we're going to find it because the glove box is nearly out. A little bit tricky to do, but she's a big old unit. This is out. These are obviously wired in. Plug, undone this. I don't actually know what that is. Don't know what it is, but I just unscrewed it from the back of the glove box. Light, and then 1 plug. Then there was another plug on the side, a little 2-pin there. Now, having a look, can't see the amp. But if you look in here, and there it is, the JBL amplifier. Now, I'm not sure how I'm going to get that out. It does very much look buried. But I'm glad I got the glove box out so I can actually see it, because I just did not know where that was. So we are going to now find our way into there. So we're getting to it now. I've unbolted this, but I can't get that out because this is in the way. So I've had to undo this to get to this 8mm there, to get this out, so I can get that out, so I can get to the amp. But I think I need to get this out anyway. So I might not have needed to remove the glove box, but I don't know that as of yet until I've got this out. So that old panel is out. There was 2 more 8mm on that side under there, and then we can now see the amp nice and clearly. This that panel to remove the heated panel was terrifying, not gonna lie, it scared me a lot. But I'm gonna undo these little Allens, and I'm hoping the whole thing comes out. I don't actually know, but we're going to find out in a second. There's 2 bolts and two Allen keys there and there. It looks like it's not going to come out, but you have to wiggle it like it owes you money, and then it does come out eventually. And then one clip, bosh, we have the JBL Professional amp out. Now we're going to package this up and get it sent away for repair. A horrendous amount of money later. I'm actually thinking I didn't need to remove the glove box, but we will never know. Good news! We have got the amp back for the 458. So let's go and plug it in. Hi, Jaden. Okay, so the amp is in. Obviously, the bracket for it's down here. We haven't done that yet. Now, I've just got to test something.
And I might have raided my contacts book for a special guest as well.
Huh? We'll see you there. No popping. Okay, cool. Bracket is in. The 4 Allen keys are in. I've just like fed the wire back through there, and now I need to pop this trim back on. Goes in there, 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 and there. And this was the one that made my eyesight hurt when I did it, because I was scared I was going to break it. So pop that in, and I believe there's some 8mm that go along the bottom. I can't remember, but it's been a week. I will work it out. One thing that we always do is when we're putting things back together, we make sure everything is working, because last thing we want to do is put something back together and not work and have to take it back out again. So you've got the 2 8mm that go under there. They're getting screwed in nicely, and then there's one more that goes in over here. And then that is the center console piece put in. Then it's on to glove box and covers and stuff. Okay, so there's a screw that goes in the side up there, and there's one down there. They're both in. So that's that center piece now. Now it is time for the big boy to go in. We've got to attach that. There's another cable there. And put the light in, and then remember where all the screws go. Now luckily we've recorded this, because I'm not going to lie, it's hurting my brain trying to remember where all the screws go, because there was quite a few of them. So in with the glove box. He looks busy. Okay, so screws are in there. There's Phillips screws all the way up the top there. So I'm going to put everything back in the glove box. Still got all the screws under here to do, and the rest of the covers. We are nearly there, people. Nearly there. God, I love a 458. Alright, she's all back together. Annoyingly, this bit, had to check the old video. It should sit up there, but I don't know why it's not. So we're going to do something to make that look a little bit better. But that is how you get to the JBL Amp, which is behind here. Looking back at what we need to do, realistically, you could try and remove this piece just on its own, but it is a lot easier with the glove box out, because they do kind of interlock together. You could do it, I don't know. But glove box works, everything's all good. So this stunning Ferrari 458 is done. And just quickly, last sound check before we go. I'm turning that off so we don't get kicked off for playing music. If you like what we're doing, like and subscribe to the channel. It's always good to see what weird and wonderful we get in. And if anyone wants to know, as it is getting closer to Christmas, I am a Ferrari 458 sized waist. Feel free to buy me one and send it to me. We're based in Bedford. I'd really would appreciate it. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.